Hello everybody, today in front of me I have ALCATEL One 2022 smartphone, and in this video I would like to show how you can set the Opera as your default browser on this device. So first of all, you want to open up the Settings app. Here scroll down until you stumble upon the apps category. That looks just like so. At the apps category you want to go for the default apps. On the next page, just choose Browser app, and here basically all that it's left to do for us is to select Opera, and that will mean that we have successfully set it as our default browser app. There is also the second way to do that directly from the Opera application, so let's go ahead and open it. Here in the bottom right corner, tap on your avatar icon. Next, click on this very gear that stands for Settings, and at the Opera settings page, just scroll down until you find the default browser section. Here, click on this section, then tap on the blue Next button, select Opera as we did from the settings, and then just choose to set it as default. And that will also mean that we have successfully set Opera as our default browser. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.